Are you a DIY enthusiast or a student with a keen interest in medical robotics? If so, this comprehensive tutorial is perfect for you. Join us as we take you through a detailed, step-by-step guide on designing and building your very own low-cost surgical robot. Building a surgical robot may sound daunting, but we're here to break it down and make it accessible. We'll start from the very beginning, discussing the essential components, tools and techniques required for this project. Don't worry if you're on a budget, we'll show you how to create a surgical robot that won't break the bank. In this tutorial, we'll cover every stage of the process, from the initial design to the final assembly. We understand that practical tips and insights are crucial, so we've made sure to include plenty along the way. We want you to have not only a fun experience, but also a valuable learning one. Imagine the satisfaction of creating a surgical robot of your own. With this project, you have the opportunity to innovate and make a real difference in the field of healthcare. Whether you're dreaming of a career in medical technology or simply enjoy DIY projects, this tutorial is a stepping stone towards the future of surgery. So join us on this exciting journey and let's explore the world of medical robotics together. By delving into this low-cost surgical robot tutorial, you'll be part of the healthcare innovation movement. Embrace the power of tech for good, and let's shape the future of medicine. Remember to use the hashtags #DIYRobotics. Surgical robots want healthcare innovation. When sharing your progress or any insights you gain from this tutorial, we can't wait to see the incredible ideas and creations that arise from this project. Let's inspire one another and push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of medical robotics. Are you ready to make a difference? Let's get started on building your very own low-cost surgical robot.